I look really pale in this video. But hey guys, welcome back to another video from Life Made Easy. If you notice, I'm not really wearing glasses in this because I got surgery on my eyes. So I thought I'd bring you an update video. Obviously, I had a bunch of and man, I look really pale. I had a bunch of pre-recorded videos go out last couple days, which I did in advance, and this lighting is not helping my case. I promise I'm not this pale in real life, but yeah, I had a bunch of videos go out that I pre-recorded before I got surgery, which was nice, and then I couldn't look at screens for a little while. I can now, I just can't for too long or else my eyes will get really dry and start hurting. But overall my vision is almost back at perfect, which is nuts, and it gets better every day, which I'm excited about. So the great thing about this is now I feel like I can be more productive since I have better eyesight. But yeah, in terms of the channel, I mean, this is probably why you clicked on this video. I'm going to be posting more consistently going forward now that I actually can. I can't really exercise at the moment, which kind of sucks. That's kind of like a key part of my life. But yeah, and also we're going to be doing more podcast episodes. Kind of had to put that on hold for a sec there. But yeah, bringing that back. And if you guys, this is the College Made Easy podcast. This is the podcast I run. I don't know if you guys are familiar with this, but we're currently doing a giveaway over on here. It's a $25 Amazon gift card giveaway. If you just go over and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment saying that you followed us on TikTok. You can just head over to the channel and find our TikTok on the top right hand corner right there. Literally just go over to our TikTok and follow it, and then just let us know you followed it, and you'll be entered into the giveaway. There's no catch with this, and you have a pretty good chance of winning since we're not one of these channels that has 10,000 subscribers, so you have a high probability of actually winning this. So yeah. Also, there's a full-blown interview with me on screen right there. It's called Scooter's Interview. It's I think it's a little over an hour. You can really get a sense for who I am and why I started my channels and stuff like that, what motivates me. So if you're interested in that, you can go check that out. We have more interviews coming out with other students, which is cool. And yeah, let me just come back to webcam record here. So yeah, I appreciate all the support. We're almost at 40K subs, which is absolutely nuts. So yeah, I'm going to be putting in a lot of effort. I got a Vankyo headset over there, which I do need to do a review on. It's a wireless gaming headset and wired for your consoles as well as PC. So I can use this to edit, get really good audio. Also, leave a comment down below what you think of the Galaxy S21. I really want to make a video on that. Very interesting smartphone. They're copying OnePlus in a lot of ways. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this little brief update video. I don't know what I'm going to title this, but I appreciate all you guys sticking with me, and I'll be putting more content out in the future. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy, which will most likely be a review of the Vankyo wireless gaming headset. Peace out, guys.